Hello, welcome to the Gadget Chameleon once again. We have a special unboxing today of a thing I ordered from China. I'll show you once I've opened it, but the reason why I bought it was it just sounded so cool. So I'm not quite sure how to attack this. I brought a knife just in case. Thought it was probably the best thing to do. Oh, straight in there. Look at that, no metal. So yeah, it's you guys will see what it is once I've opened it. I won't tell you. I just thought it was pretty cool that these sort of things existed. It's very sci-fi stuff. This is unbelievably tricky to get into. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Right, okay. A lot of bubble wrap. Right, okay, so here we go. That's it there. Now what is this, I hear you ask? Well, it is I can't remember the specific word, but it's a speaker, that's cool, that transmits sound into a material, so it turns this table, it will turn the table into the speaker. Something developed by NASA apparently as one of these sort of things. Power adapter, brilliant. And here it is. It's quite small. The reason why the box is so big is because I had to order 3 of them. Which seemed a bit of a shame, but anyway. I'm sure friends and family shall enjoy one or 2. So, they are pretty cool. I don't really keep that pad thing on there. You do. I don't think that's supposed to be blue. Is it? Maybe not. Maybe it keeps like that. It's like Apple Box in here. It's quite cool. Open. And of course a lovely USB cable. Not bad when you think that was from China. I am impressed. I'll pause this video and try and get one of these to work. Right, okay, so welcome back. Yeah, I've been trying out this thing, this speaker. I found it out, it's a resonant speaker apparently. And it is just dreadful, to be honest. It's pretty bad. I've tried it on most materials. Metal sounds really high-pitched, horrible, squeaky. Wood, just, well, do you want to hear? I'll show you some here. Bit distorted. Doesn't sound too bad there, the bass is okay, but then it just gets worse from then on. I'm not sure if you can hear that. But anyway, it's quite a good concept, I suppose. I suppose that the concept's quite good, and there are some materials where it actually is incredibly loud. The mirror in the bathroom blows your head off, but it does seem a bit pointless to keep on the mirror in the bathroom. It's a cool idea, not so good for practical use. That's what it sounds like, not on the surface. Then you, I mean, it's a good idea, but it's just definitely not good for practical use. You're gonna have to have some sort of glass table for you to get any good sound out of, and yeah, basically, it's pretty dire, unfortunately. And I've got 3 other things. Anyway, this has been Gadget Chameleon. See you later. Peace in it.